If tracking fails, consider replacement options. OEM replacements from car manufacturers are the most reliable, but can cost $50 to $300. Programmable aftermarket fobs are cheaper at $20 to $100, but might require a dealership visit or specialized tools for reprogramming. To prevent unauthorized duplication, some fobs have anti-relay attack chips, adding to the security. Depending on the type of fob, you might be able to reprogram it via a smartphone app or through the dealership. If your car was stolen, integrated GPS data can lead to recovery via police. Check if your fob integrates with Amazon Alexa or similar smart home devices, as recalling the last location via voice command is an option. Note that in the near future, AI-enhanced automation may predict fob loss proactively. Experts emphasize balancing the convenience of tracking with cybersecurity. If you do not have a GPS location to give the police, there will be no way to recover a lost or stolen car or fob.